Hi everyone, it's Joe from Prepper in the Woods. Today we're unboxing something simple but essential, good socks. Hywell sent me a few pairs of Merino Wool Socks to test out. Let's have a look. So that's the packaging it came in to me. They sent me a pair of green and black and two grey and blacks. Basically I said yes to this one because are you ever tired of having socks where the heels wear out, or getting some wool socks but the holes are too big so your feet actually still stay cold? So these ones here I opted for to change that. Let's have a look at these. Give you some close-ups. Nice pattern, and you can't see through it, which is the issue I had with some of my other ones. That's nice. Good heel on it. Yes. Yeah, see, that's thicker there, which is nice. It's hard to get excited about socks, but how often do we get socks for presents? And these would make an excellent Christmas present as the holidays are coming up now, so think about that one. Compression wise, I'm not going to get my feet out for you guys, so sorry for that. But yeah, very elastic and very strong. Yeah, that's very nice. I like that. So again, this is a first impression video. There's their logo. So if you're after some high quality socks for that camper guy or loved one, then have a look at this one. I'll put links in the description box below. Everything you guys need is always in my description box. Very nice heel again. Like again, these would make an excellent Christmas present. So I'll have to take these out and test them, but this is again just an unboxing. But they look really good. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. How important are your feet when it comes to hiking, camping, and going outdoors? Thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you next video.